For simplicity's sake, I'm just gonna use my phone for now. Bag secured. Luggage secured. We're gonna go soon.
Yeah. Straight up.
Alright, got through TSA. I made a mistake, I fumbled. Forgot to get. No, it closed. Forgot to get a charger for my phone. Maybe they have one over here, so I'll check over here. Let's see how expensive it is. This is the cheaper one. This is old. I needed a phone charger, so paid $22 for a 1 meter cable. Not even fast charging, bro. Okay, time to find our gate. Suitcase wiggles way too much, but thank you, Tito, for giving it to me. I'm not complaining. I'm stupid, bro. It's not B26 is the seat number. My place is B30 something. I'm stupid. Made it past immigration. I'm gonna head out right now. Let's see how hot it is outside. We'll see. Welcome to Trinidad, I guess. Pass me.
I didn't watching the thing now.
But I was right here. And then I saw him in the corner of my eye. And I'm so uncomfortable.
I looking for a tall guy.
Oh wow, okay.
Yes, that's
You see, the sun is coming up. It's almost morning. The sunrise is morning. Oh, who's this? Who's this? First thing to remember, driver's on the right side, not on the left. Doubles, man, you gotta do it. I can still speak the language. Yeah? Good morning.
How much did this hit? 12 doubles. 2 with sweet sauce only, and the rest with sweet sauce on top.
Secured the bag.
Hey, boy.
Alright, let's go see Grandma. Okay.
Hi, Grandma.
What?
Hi, Grandma.
Oh my God.
Good morning.
Oh my God. And Ray say, I don't know when you're coming. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I miss you, Grandma.
I miss you too. Oh my God. You're looking handsome,
A little
man.
bit chubby, but
No. That's that. As you get older, you just put on a little thing. Oh my God. Oh my God. I say, but why Ron ain't getting up yet? Oh. Oh God.
miss you, Grandma.
Oh gosh, I just miss all you all the time. Over there, watch him there. You see him? That is Nathaniel, so you have to treat him good, all right?
Just let them sleep. Let them sleep. Because if it were me, I'd be upset.
Who cares about
Hello, hi, good morning, good morning.
Ah, where are you coming from?
Huh? Bro, I've been sleeping here.
Just
Yeah. Yo. Shit. This guy's gonna jump on me. Okay. There you go. Eyes on it, dude. Bro, you're so big.
He was so confused the first second. He's like, what?
Chill. How are you? I'm not letting go, but I gotta breathe, bro. Oh. Hi, how are you? Good morning.
Why are you filming me? That's somebody funny.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good.
Okay.
To be honest with you, this doesn't feel real to me.
Why, bro?
I don't know.
I'm right here, bro. You can finish my cheek. Doubles. Doubles. One of the most famous dishes in Trinidad. An absolute mess, but it tastes delicious.
I thought you said I'm an absolute mess.
Well, I am too.
Oh, this one has like vegetables and stuff in it, and then you saw like cucumbers.
The flavors. Why am I darker than you? What did I do?
Yeah, you're dark. Sunscreen. I've been wearing sunscreen, bro.
Bro, I've been living in Canada. See the chickpeas? And then the bara, which is the bread looking thing. Fried dough. It does taste better than the one in Canada.
You want small stuff? You want apple juice?
Yeah, I do.
What
I'm
do you
thirsty.
want?
I guess. But it's all the same stuff, right? I'm gonna spill.
Why are you blowing?
Because I'm the bubbles.
Just drink it.
We got chicken wings.
Garlic something.
Honey garlic.
Oh,
And this is Jira pork, I think. This is
macaroni pie.
We can remove it.
and dashes.
Bye bye.
We can put it back.
And everybody has the same thing on the other side?
We're not. They make so much.
Hmm? Yes, thank you. Alright. Say the word girlfriend.
No.
Say it. Say it. I like the way you guys say it. Say it.
Why?
With the accent.
This
Say
girl
it.
will be bringing mom.
It's an accent.
Yeah.
She's going to bring my fix center.
Gil.
That was equal opposite. Sure. Yes. She brings
Say
it.
boy.
Because a few of them boys so they would like it.
That's
But
normal.
sometimes if
We gotta examine the language.
But I put up the one for extra.
W Riz.
While service.
the W is.
Yeah.
You need a speeding ticket
Like a distraction.
because of how fast you really caught my attention. I stumbled, bro.
W Riz. The brain rot affecting Trinidad too.
Look at how good I am, bro. Oh, wow, bro, damn. That's how ugly.
We got some wild meat. I guess.
No, that's how ugly.
What do you call it?
It's a,
A goatee?
no, like.
Chill, take a picture. Two cheese. Yeah, kiss it.
Kiss it.
Hey, yo. Look at it in this thing.
Because the ones
Wanna
I
smell
have,
it.
they're from. I have 2, 3. My family wants same thing.
That's what it looks like now. And then we'll store it for now and then cook it later. Yes. Okay.